Monica AI tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use Monica AI and whether it's worth your time. Monica AI is a browser based assistant that integrates models like GPT 4o, Claude 3, and Gemini. You can summon it with a keystroke, Control plus M on Windows, or Command plus M on Mac, or by clicking the Monica icon on your browser. It offers features like summarizing web pages, PDFs, and YouTube videos, translating text, and assisting with writing tasks. For example, you can highlight text on any web pages, and a quick action toolbar will appear, allowing you to translate, check grammar, or expand the content. Monica also provides tools for creating digital and generating code snippets. Its artifacts features lets you create websites, charts, and code in real time during conversations. While the free version offers a decent range of features, it has daily limits. Paid plan starts at $9 per month, providing more extensive access. In summary, Monica AI is a versatile tool that can enhance productivity by streamlining various tasks. If you frequently work with text, translations, or need quick summaries, it's worth trying out.